Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your account on CivicRec, our new recreation software here at Windsong Ranch. Once you load this page, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on Login/Create Account, and then you're going to click Create Your WSR Account. On this page, you're going to go through and fill out all of your information. And under phone number, it's important that you fill out the mobile carrier to the right. This allows us to be able to send you text updates about things going on. So any closure notices, any event cancellations, things like that. This allows us to be able to send you those text notifications. For email preferences, you're going to want to put your email in there and select the communication types that you want to receive from us. So by selecting all three of these boxes, that means that you'll receive all of the emails we send out about event cancellations for events you're registered for, courtesy notices about facility closures, anything regarding weather or things like that, changes to facility times. If you want to receive all of our communications, it's important that you select all three boxes. Under address, you're going to fill in your Windsong Ranch address to this spot. This is important that you type in your address correctly. Make sure you double check the spelling. That way the system is able to automatically assign you as a resident based on your address, and you won't have any issues registering for events. For your primary email, you're going to want to put in the same email here, and this is going to be your login information for your account. And then your password is going to be whatever password you want to set for your account. And then you're going to click Next Step. So this is where you'll make accounts under this primary household account for everyone in your household, so your other family members. You can add your spouse, any children you have that live in your household. And this allows all of your accounts to be connected under one so that your primary account holder is able to register the whole family for events, is able to make facility reservations for the whole family. You're able to see under your primary account any updates for anyone in your household, any events anyone's registered. That way you can manage them all from one account. Then you will save and close, and that's how you will log in to your account.